Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you guys doing well. We happy and grateful for everyone who has shown up to see we presenting our topic today. So we from fourth group will present our topic about fraction worth. Before we present the topic, I will introduce our group members. Next. The first is Lutfi Khairunisa NIM A510190145. The second is Farika Nelva Fodila NIM A510190146. The third is Ustazah Mutiara Azahro NIM A510190147. The fourth is Ananda Munifatul Olivia NIM A510190148. The fifth is Nurin Ainani Arifah NIM A510190149. The last but not least is Aminah Nur Hanifah NIM A510190150. For further explanation will be explained by my friend.
Question 1. Design a mathematical learning strategy by applying high-order thinking skill. HOTS. Read various kinds of techniques, strategy, breaks, method that you have learned in Prof. Jojo. Next. Learning techniques, features, Prof. Learning strategy, show and tell no concept, icebreaker, something in common. Learning approach, scientific. Learning model, PBL, problem-based learning. Method, assessment, question and answer, group discussion. Preliminary. First, the teacher opened with greetings. 2. Representatives of students are asked to learn of prayer together. 3. Students are invited to sing the song Indonesia Raya, followed by greeting and applause from the PPK, Religious Discipline Nationalism. 4. Students are checked for attention by the teacher. 5. Students ask and answer questions with the teacher regarding the previous material and talk PowerPoint media. The teacher show picture showing equipment fraction. Relate it to yesterday's lesson and direct students to ask questions and express their opinions. Perception asking.
Okay. The next step is to provide an image and then analyze it. A. Do you understand the picture above? B. Would you to come forward to explain about the picture above? Number 6. The teacher conveys the learning objectives to the achieved. 7. The teacher motivates students to be enthusiastic about following the lesson. Next, step 1, orientation of student to the problem. First, student watch a video of children's problem fighting over a quiz from PowerPoint. 2, student listen to the teacher's explanation related to the video that has been overset. Namely, A, the mother of 3 children gave 1 cake. What is the correct distribution of cake for 2 children if there is only 1 cake? B. If there are 2 cakes and 4 children, how will the cake be distributed to each child? Number 3. Students are direct to express opinion or ask questions related to what was conveyed by the teacher if there are things that have not been understood. Next, step 2, organizing students to learn. Number 4, students are grouped into 5 groups and distributed by LKPG and receive direction from the teacher regarding problems that must be solved together with the group. Namely, A, Students are directed that the results of observation and analysis will be discussed together with the group and turned in LKPD. B. Students are directed that group representatives will present the task of group discussion results. C. Students discuss by dividing tasks for data collection, solving problems, and asking questions about the form of tasks that have not been understood.
Stage 3, quitting individual or groups and vegetation. 5. Learn in group are quit to explore data and investigate data and search for solving learning problems, giving information. 6. Students according to the task of carrying to data collection and investigation for problem-solving materials that will be discussed with the groups. Communication, creativity, and innovation, collaboration, problem-solving. 7. Students are monitored by the teacher in the investigation and data collection activities, and the teacher strengthens and quit the task of collecting in investigating data on solving learning problems. Communication. 8. Students continue to explore problem-solving data that will be discussed and complete segments according to the direction and reinforcements of the teacher regarding to task completion process, communication, creativity, and innovation collaboration. Stage 4, developing and presenting the work. 9. Students discuss to analyze and conclude problem solving and work on the LKPD and prepare to result of the task contained in the LKPD to present. Communication, creativity, and innovation collaboration. Stage 5, analyze and evaluate the problem solving process. 11. Representative of the group make presentation to convey the result of their segment in front of the class and other groups to clarify the appreciate communication, creativity, and innovation collaboration. Well, the teacher with students who have difficult during presentation. 13. After all groups have finished the presentation and give their appreciation process with summarizing the and concluding. 14. Students are given awards, input, and reinforcements of the result of all group segment motivation.
Closing. First, students and teachers reflect on today's learning. 2. Students together with the teacher ask questions about the material that has been studied. 3. Students carry out written evaluation questions on the material they have learned today. 4. Students are given a follow-up plan, RTL, in the form of further material information. 5. Students are given questions as a segment at home that deepen students' understanding of today's material. 6. Students get a moral message that can be taken from this learning, namely to always be able to apply it in their daily life. 7. One of the students is asked to lead a prayer together. 8. The teacher closes the lesson and greets. Question 2. Make one favorite question according to the math topic you choose in number 1. Include the answer. Hot question. Satya has 12 pens and 9 of them are red. Adele also has 16 ribbons and some of them are red. If Satya and Adele red ribbons show equivalent fraction, then how many red ribbons does Adele have?
The answer is Setia has 12 pens and 9 of them are red. Fraction showing Setia red ribbon equal 9/12. Adele has 16 ribbons and some of them are red. Fraction showing Adele red ribbon equal blah blah over 16. Setia and Adele's red ribbon section show equivalent fraction. Setia 9/12. Adele blah blah over 16. Simplified, Setia 3/4. Adele blah 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 over 16. If the bottom is multiplied by 4, then the top is also multiplied by 4. So Setia 3/4 and Adele 12/16. Answer, Adele red ribbon is 12.
So that's all the presentation we can deliver. I hope this presentation has given us new insight on the fraction war. If there is a mistake from us, I am a representative of Group 4, apologies profusely. We sincerely appreciate your attention today. That's all from us. Thank you for your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.